Hi guys, I hope you're all doing well. Today our lesson is going to be about rhyming words and specifically words that have at sound in the end. Our objectives for this lesson are: number 1, get to know what rhyming words are. Number 2, match rhyming words. Number 3, choose words that rhyme with at sound. And number 4, make a rhyming words card with at sound. Now, we're going to read these words together. Let's start. Number 1, men. Number 2, pen. Number 3, fly. And number 4, high. Let's read them one more time, and I want you this time to really focus and listen to the sounds at the end, okay? Let's repeat. Men, pen, fly, and high. Now, I want you to think well and tell me which two words end with the same sound. Okay, so men and pen end with the same sound, N. Now, when we have two words that end with the same sound, we call them rhyming words. So, we can say men rhymes with pen. Again, men rhymes with pen. Why? Because they end with the same sound. Now, which two other words are also rhyming? Good job. So, fly rhymes with high. Again, fly rhymes with high. Why? Good job, because fly and high end with the same sound. Fla, I, and ha, I. Now, we have one more thing to talk about. Let's look at number 1 and 2. Men and pen, they end with the same sound, N. And do they end with the same letters? Yes. So, men and pen are rhyming words. They have the same sound in the end and the same letters. But let's look at number 3 and number 4. We said that fly rhymes with high, right? But do they end with the same letters? No. So two words can be rhyming even though they don't end with the same letters, okay? So, rhyming words are words that end with the same sound. They can end with same or different letters. Now we're going to talk about the sound at. Now we're going to match rhyming words, so listen carefully. Cat, slow, go, bat. Which two words rhyme together? So we have cat rhymes with bat. Repeat. Cat rhymes with bat. And slow rhymes with go. One more time. Slow rhymes with go. Let's say the sound. Listen carefully and answer. we have the word cat. With which sound does it end? Good job. It ends with the sound at. With which sound? At. Now I'm going to give you some words and you have to say if these words rhyme with cat or if they don't. And remember, if a word rhymes with cat, then it should end with the same sound at. But if it doesn't end with the same sound, then this word doesn't rhyme with the word cat. Okay? Let's start. Box. Again. Say it. Box. Does it rhyme with cat? Do they end with the same sound? Good job. They don't end with the same sound. So box does not rhyme with cat. Let's check another word. Bat. Again, one more time. Bat. Does it rhyme with cat? Good job. So bat rhymes with cat. How did you know? That's right, because bat and cat end with the same sound at. Let's check another word. Fat. One more time. Fat. Does fat rhymes with cat? Good job. So fat rhymes with cat because, that's right, because they end with the same sound. Now let's move to the last word. Meat. Does it rhyme with the word cat? Listen well. Meat, cat. Meat and cat. Are they rhyming words? Good job. They are not rhyming words because in cat we have the sound at and in meat it's the sound eat. Okay, so it's not the same sound even though cat and meat end with the same letter, but it's not the same sound, okay? Because listen again and look at your mouth. Look at your mouth how it's moving. Cat, meat. So they are not rhyming words. Good job, everyone. Now, let's say a list of words that rhyme with cat. Let's start. Cat rhymes with sat. Cat rhymes with mat. And mat rhymes with fat. And cat also rhymes with rat. Good job, everyone. You can make your own rhyming words card. For that, you're gonna need a colored piece of paper, a pen, and a pair of scissors. You're gonna start off by cutting a long piece of paper. Then you're going to cut another one that is almost half the size of the first one. As you can see, we have a long piece of paper and the other one is shorter. After that, you're gonna use the long piece to mark 2 points with your pen on the short one, but not in the very beginning. Then you're gonna grab the 2 points and fold the paper. You're gonna hold it well, and you're gonna use the pair of scissors to cut a square shape in the paper. Don't cut till the end, before the 2 marks that we put with the blue pen. As you can see, now we have a square shape in the short paper. And now the long one can pass freely through it. After that, we're gonna write the letters A and T, the sound at, on the shorter one. And on the longer one, we're gonna write the letters C, M, S, F, and R. C, M, S, F, and R. And by that, now we can play with our rhyming words. We have cat rhymes with mat, rhymes with sat, rhymes with fat, and with rat. You did it!